Good morning, students. So last class we discussed yes, activity 8 finish. Till flower only discussing. Today we'll discuss the next part. Look at figure 7.23 carefully. It shows different kinds of stamens present in different flowers. So different flowers ki hoy different stamen thake. Can you recognize the two parts of the stamens in your flower? So two stamens hoboche. How many stamens are there in your flower? So kimanta stamens ase? Draw one stamen and label each part. So label draw kori borise aru label kori borise. Next, the innermost part of the flower is called the pistil aru bitor part ki boli kobo pistil boli koy. If you cannot see it completely, remove the remaining stamens. So stamen bilak remove kori dilam etu part dekha pao. Identify the parts of the pistil with the help of figure etu figure help koriboise. Draw a neat label diagram of the pistil of your flower. Activity 11. Let us now study the structure of ovary. It is the lowermost and swollen part of the cell. We will cut this part to study that is inside. Look at figure 7.25a and b carefully to understand how to cut the ovary of a flower. Cut the ovary in two different ways, different process katibo pari as shown in figure 7.25 to prevent them from drying. Hukai joar agote put a drop of water dibose on each of the two pieces of the ovary you have cut katibo pare. So observe the inner part of the ovary. Bitor part observe koribose using a lens help. Do you see some small bead like structure inside a very bead horu guti type of bostu? They are called ovulas. Ovulas boli koy. Draw and label the inner part of the ovary in your notebook. Draw koribose. Try to find out the names of as many flowers as you can be asking in the gardener or any other persons. Remember not to pluck more flower than you need. So beshi singo mana korise aru flower jate flower beshi singile costal problem hoy tar karone. So based on what you have filled in table 7, answer the following question. Do all flowers have sepals, petals, stamens and pistil? Ekita ase na saborise. Are there flowers that do not have one or more of these? Are there flowers which have parts other than this? Did you find any flower which has no difference between sepals and petals? Sepals or petals difference. Did you find any flower in which the number of stamens is different from the number of petals? So kiman difference hoy aru petals aru stamens. Do you now agree that the structure of the flower is not always the same? So hoday saman nohoy boli koise. The number of sepals, petals, stamens and pistils may also be different in different flowers. So beleg flower ki hoy beleg thake mane eke na thake boli koise. Some of this part may even be absent at times. So kiti ki hoy absent hoy na thako. We have studied some features and function of leaves. So am kisman ki hoiso structure section paiso aru function leaves or function, stems and roots, stem or roots. So we studied the structure of different flowers. So time study korso. We will learn about the function of flowers in higher classes. Aru upor classes ami ebila kotha poribo parim. We will also learn about fruits in higher classes. Aru fruits kotha ami poribo parim. So today our lesson completed these lessons and one thing, do all of the question answer, find out yourself and write. Gote question answer bila find koriba aru likhiba. What how many you cannot do, that one ask to me at school next Saturday. Okay, thank you.